All right, good morning. We got different stuff going on this morning. We got some runners, DPW, got a big purchase order, 3.2 million. You can see this guy has just ripped and ripped and ripped. Currently on this trend line. And we're opening up here. What's up, Dom? CRIS. Looks like it's coming up to test the downtrend. SCON might be testing this downtrend as well. We've got a lot close to the downtrend. There's DMPI as well. I am in on NTRP, just 100 shares. I got in early in pre-market in this candle here when it started pushing up. So I'm in at 166. I think it's pretty good. They got two different deals going on. Very low float. Hasn't got a lot of volume yet. It got a little bit of volume and pushed up and then had a quick pullback. But a lot of support below it. So I'm just holding it. What's up, One Life? Good morning. So yeah, like I said, I'm just holding this to see if it's going to get going. The thing I like about it is this giant gap back here. The only resistance it has is the 200-day at 187, which is the pre-market high. And then after 187, massive gap all the way up to 426. And it's done it before in January. It shot all the way up almost to $4. So that's why I got in early. I could have waited, probably should have waited, could have got in a better price, but it is what it is at this point. It's only 100 shares. I'm going to let it maneuver around and see what it does. So you're getting a little buying volume here. But after all this selling, I mean, it sold down to this support and then just nothing. And now we're starting to get a little buying. So we'll see what happens. Not a lot of volume on it yet, but DPW testing the trend line. Of course, DPW is up 200 something percent, so that's a pretty big move. SCON just broke above. Just broke above its downtrend. It's a nice move, about an 8-cent move. CRIS breaking above its downtrend as well. Trying to anyway. Let's give that a second. NTRP popping up a little bit here. See, it doesn't take very much volume to push this thing, so. Oh, damn, see SCON really moving here. With a nice pop out of the downtrend. And still trying to push. But I gotta let it move Gotta let it move around before I can try to look for something on that. BKYI, nothing yet. DMPI. DMPI is not bad. Let me refix my drawing here. There we go. Play SCON is really ripping here. What's up, Daniel B? TOS is acting silly. I haven't noticed it yet on my end, but I believe you. Let's see, BKYI just started popping up. See, NTRP pulling back a little. NTRP is a little bit all over the place at the moment. DBW. Yeah, so far it looks like it. So you can see BKY getting held back by the downtrend. So we got a little bit of support on this SCON, 83 cents possibly. So we got GNUS popping up today a little bit. There's a lot of stocks maneuvering around and stuff right now. SCON pulling back pretty hard. See, BKYI could not break above the trend line, so nothing there yet. See, NTRP is still in that little range. Nothing there yet. Right at this second, I'm just trying to figure out where to go. DMPI is selling off pretty hard right here. All the way down to 125. There's some support right there. BKY is coming back up to the downtrend line again. AVCT, huge rip. There's a lot going on this morning. Yeah, nice rip. CRIS. SCON still coming back down. See CRS. See DMPI. So I did bounce off of that support. BKY coming back up to this downtrend line. JFIN halted on the red side. SCON at 75 cents. Testing 75-cent support again. I'm going to go on BKYI here. There's a lot of support at 110. And it's starting to break over the downtrend again. I'm going a little early, but I just kind of wanted to get in right there at that 110 support. Oh, that 110 support just cracked a little, so we'll see what happens here. Trying to hold up. If we start building 110 support here, could be good. Well, we shall see. Should have plenty of support at 105. See right there, all those candles right across there. So I'm going to adjust my trend line, make sure I'm not looking at this wrong. DPW for a breakout looking strong too. So there's a lot going on. There's a lot of different possible plays. Let's see, we got 110 trying to build support again on BKYI. So that's what I want to see. I want to keep seeing 110 build up as support. Let's see what's going to be if this does start going. Ooh, big seller at 112. See if he can start getting knocked out. It started to get knocked out. Let's see. Resistance at 120. Right there, 120 right there. We are still in this downtrend though. We need to break over this downtrend soon, or this could just sell off. I kind of misread my downtrend. And we got some selling at 110 as well. Let's see. Yeah, DPW, a nice breakout there. Dropped below the trend line for a second and popped right back up. AVCT sold off after its little rip. TRP still doing nothing. Nice, Daniel B. Nice job. CRIS. CRIS is starting to break, trying to break above this downtrend. This 105 doesn't hold up. I'm gonna have to get out of this. That's why you gotta wait for the downtrend to break, but I misread it, so that's a little mistake on my part. KYI. And needs to hold up 105. So I think NRTP had a quick little, yeah, it did. Ooh, it had a quick little dip, but popped right back up. Boy, some stop losses got hit there. CRS is breaking over. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Very nice. Coming right up to that 250 resistance. But it looks like it's going to break it. It's going to try to anyway. Very nice. Oh, nope, couldn't break that 250. But it's a nice quick pop, little 30-cent pop there. So that's not too bad. Yeah, I think I may. This does not get off 105 here soon. Starting to crack a little bit. See if the dollar holds up. Doesn't look like this. It's not looking too good on BKYI. Give it a chance to see if it's going to bounce back up a little right here real quick. But if not, I'm going to get out of it. Still yet, I may even get out of it anyway. just because I did buy below the downtrend. Trying to hold up $1, but I just don't trust it being under this downtrend. If it cracks $1, it's going to drop to 90 cents. Buying came in there at 102. Still, I just don't trust this. I feel like this is going to crack. This could very easily crack. It's trying to hold up $1, but yeah, I'm cutting my losses. I'm getting out of this. I'm about sure this is going to dump like that. So I don't want to risk it. I mean, $1 is support, but if it cracks anymore, I'm just risking too much because it wasn't quite over the trend line like I thought it was. So that's all right. I made a little mistake, but you got to cut out sometimes. You just gotta know. Sometimes you're in a bad trade and you gotta cut out. DMPI. Let's see. Looks like it might start a reversal here soon. Let's see, CRIS all the way up to $3, $3.16. Nice. So that was a good call out, One Life, on that. That was the downtrend break I was looking for. Just didn't know if it was going to be this one or BKYI. And it's still climbing. Very nice. Broke that pre-market high there. Let's see, SCON. Not doing anything yet. DPW all the way. Okay, trying to hold up. Navy CT, nothing. Okay, Mara popping up. NTRP, and it's still trying to hold that 150 support. So yeah, Chris and DPW are the plays today. Maybe SCOM possibly. I'm glad you guys are talkative today. You guys have been quiet all week, and now you guys in here talking. BKY hasn't sold off yet, but it just doesn't look good anymore. So this is coming back down. Mike could possibly look for a bounce off the pre-market high at 275 if it comes down that low. See, it's testing that right now. I think it was 278 maybe. Was it pre-market high? Yeah, 278 was the pre-market high. So let's see if it holds up right here. Looks like it's trying to. Let's see, it's trying to hold up 270. Probably the tops of these candles, yeah. So it's trying to hold up 270 and 278. Yeah, you can see on the 1 minute there, kind of confirming that support. You're in again. What'd you get in? 278, that pre-market high. What'd you get in lower? Yeah, still looking good there. 270 area, yeah, with the flat tops, yeah. He's still looking good right now. see here. As long as I don't drop down much lower. There it goes. Now it's starting to move up. Should be, I would imagine you're going to hit that 290 price target up here. We got right up close, got to 287 on that. Here you go. Now you're looking like you might hit that 290 here soon. Yeah, there you go. So nice job, One Life, killing it on CRIS. Might even hit 3 again. Let's see if it hits 3 again. See if it breaks over 3. No, it got to 298, but still, you got a nice pop on that. It's a nice 20 cents. See, BKYI still hasn't sold off yet. Not a lot of volume on that at the moment. ABC. See, DPW is still above the trend line as well. So you got about a minute for this candle to close. And looking pretty good here. Got those sellers out at 290, no problem. 30 seconds for this candle to close it. Pushing towards 3. Right, let's see, right through 295 possibly. No. Got held up a little bit at 295. Hey, you're looking pretty good here. Anybody has any questions, suggestions, or ideas, get those in. I got about 20 minutes left of the stream. I've got an appointment I got to get to. Starting to pull back a little bit on CRIS here. Yeah, just struggling now for sure. I don't like the bottom of this red candle's drop below. Still, it's pushing bottom back up some. I mean, there's still plenty of time on this candle though. You got 3 or 4 minutes left. But I would not want to see the bottom of that candle close under that green one. So BKYI still holding up but doing nothing. VCT still climbing. Yeah, below 268. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're good. You're in there. You've already made profit on it. So even if it doesn't work out at this point, you're still good. See how this works. See how this works out for you, One Life. And anybody else who may be in it. Oh, let's look at it. Struggled there for a minute, but it is still trying to hold up that area, so. It's just a little sketchy because it's a flag, kind of. Let's see, get that out of here quick. Let's look. Let's see. Drawn tool. There we go. So you kind of getting this little flag deal going on. Yeah. I just got an appointment. I'm trying to maneuver different things around. I keep telling you, I'm getting ready to start flipping houses here soon. Another few months, like 3 or 4 months to 6 months. So I'm trying to get everything in order that I need to do in order with my finances. So I gotta go meet with my banker, talk to them. No, I don't have the Rona. It's not a doctor's appointment. It's just an appointment with what do you call it, a loan officer, I guess, or whatever, at the bank, at my credit union. So this is starting to look a little sketchy. Trying to hold up 270, but it's, yeah, a little sketchy. And now I gotta get there. I gotta get everything ready. If Quicken could get me closed in 21 days, I might. Is that on conventional? Because I don't want. I'm not doing anything but conventional. Yeah, you gotta trade like a bot. You're absolutely right. That 21 days closed on a conventional loan? I mean, that would make sense. Usually conventional loans close quicker because you don't have all the nonsense. Just everything they do it in 21 days? We shall see. I'm not to that point yet. I'm still working on a few other financial things that I had going on. So I'm trying to maneuver things around and get everything ready. Yeah, I plan on. I'll talk to you later about One Life. We'll talk about it later. But I plan on getting going soon on this. I'll hit you. I'll hit you up after the stream. I know you're got family and stuff. Well, that's why I'm going to, you know, I know you do. I know you do. That's why I'm listening to you. That's why I'm going to talk to you about it. But I'm going to. My credit union is pretty good. They've done pretty good for me. So that's why I want to go talk to them. Because I have a lot of possible ways to do it. But that's what we got to figure out. Yeah, CRIS done. DPW coming down to the trend line. Possibly might could crack. Since it cracked the trend line before. SCON nothing. BKYI looks like it's going to crack $1 soon, which is what I was worried about. So had to get out of there. Let's see, GNUS still up a little bit. ACVT or AVCT ripped all the way up to 615. Was there any PR on this? There wasn't even any PR at all. Lake. Let's see, how's the SPY today? The SPY dropping a little bit. So, okay. But, yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to call it a day so I don't got to be rushing around. Appreciate everybody joining me today. He's talking about what? Buying storage units to rent out? I mean, if that's what you're talking about, it's a pretty good investment because you don't have to really maintain much. You just rent people out square box rooms monthly. So it's just finding the storage. It's just finding ones for sale because very rarely do people sell their whole storage lots. And the only other possibility really is to just buy a piece of land and throw your own building on it for storage sheds. So I mean that's the thing. It's not as easy to get started. Yeah, you don't have to really kick people out. And even if you do, you can always auction their stuff off. And maybe call up Storage Wars people, have them come in and film it. So it's it's definitely not a bad investment. Once you get going, once you got your buildings and everything, you're gonna make some money. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. You most likely would have to build it because I'm looking at commercial real estate and residential real estate all the time, and I don't think I've seen any storage places for sale except one time in like the past 2 years. So it's very, very rare that they come up for sale. But alright, guys, I'm going to get going. Appreciate everybody joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow. Sorry for the stream being so short, but you know, I got other things I got to take care of. So check out LoopNet. I'll check that out. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day. Until next time.